Okay, fellas, welcome back to the channel. We've got some work to do. So you guys apparently didn't want this steering wheel bad enough because there was only one video submission, and that was by my dad.
This is the Bullet WS6. Hang on a minute. Andy's calling me. He calls me like every 5 minutes. All right, ready to make a run. We're going. Wall. 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 Why can't I go straight?
So yeah, way to go, guys. You guys let my dad win the steering wheel. But I'm gonna hang it up here for him. But yeah, unfortunately, nobody entered into the video. But we're still gonna do a giveaway. All you gotta do, real easy. Be a subscriber here. Go subscribe to my boys' YouTube channel, American Speed Shops. They dropped a video on the engine of the Bullet getting torn down. Go leave a comment there. And that's it. 3 things. Be a subscriber, subscribe there, leave a comment on their video, and I will send you a t-shirt or beanie of your choice. Back to what we're doing. We got to clean up this mess. But I've started ordering parts this week. We've got a lot of stuff coming. A lot of minor stuff, really. I'm replacing some of the fuel fittings for the fuel feed and return lines because there's some brands and they just became stiff over time. So I want to go ahead and get those replaced before I have any kind of leaking issues there. I've also ordered a couple things that I can't tell you guys about just yet, but stay tuned for this video. It's coming out real soon. Mind the valve cover. Oh, by the way, if anybody wants to buy a nice LME billet valve cover, send me a DM. I am selling mine. I finished up my steering wheel. I go find the right bolts and everything for it because they take special bolts that go there. So that's completed. The only other thing left to do with the steering wheel is find out what I'm gonna do about this logo because I don't like the logo, and I can either get it machined down or I can find something that I can put right there, and I think I have an idea, but we'll touch on that in another video. On this video, new studs. Who this? We're gonna run new studs because the new wheels are not the factory acorn shape. They're so that's factory style there, acorn shape, I think is what it's called. And then you have your flat shank style, which my rear wheels are this. The front wheels, the new front wheels that we got are also this style. So luckily I had these billet lugs lying around from my buddy Matt with the Coyote Trans Am. Speaking of, real quick, you guys have been asking, I know you want an update on that car. I will be making time to go see him. Matt, if you're watching this, let's make some time. The people want an update. But yeah, he gave me a set of these a while back. I appreciate it, buddy. They're gonna come in handy. We got new longer studs to be able to use these shanks. So we have to get some brake stuff removed, get the hub off the knuckle. Luckily, I think it just bolts on. And probably take it to the shop to get those studs removed. Okay, with all the brake stuff out of the way. Hey, that's not too bad. Just a little bit of play. But dang, that moves a lot better than I thought it would, to be honest with you. I was fully expecting this to be completely frozen up. But comment down below if you think I should get, maybe a new set of, I don't know, TBMs or Strange in the front or something like that. Leave a comment. What do you think? Should we upgrade the front brakes on the old Bullet? Okay, moment of truth, people. Will it come out? Yes. Take a look at that. I don't know if the other side's gonna come out that nice, but this one sure did. So there's our hub. Unfortunately, the only way to get these studs off is to basically hammer them off, but I'm not gonna be able to do it here because I have this nice garage floor and I want to keep it that way. Obviously you've already seen this, so let's just, how about that? Oh my god, that actually worked. Okay, that's doing the trick. There it goes. Right, okay. Where is my razor blade? Probably do this better if I had two hands. And of course, the good news is that I can use my new, just like that. So that's the difference. That's the upgrade we're gonna make on there, at least for now anyways. So I'm gonna finish this at the shop and then get it back on the car for now. I mean, we're not using front wheels anyways for right now, so now's the perfect time to do it. As far as the engine, like I said, if you want to check out the progress on that, go to Hunter's YouTube channel, American Speed Shops. I'll put it right here. Link is in the description below. Go check out the update on that in his video, and we are going to hopefully soon be going over to his shop to pick it up. Don't make a mess, don't make a mess. Don't make a mess, man. Don't do it. Fresh fluid. Super fresh fluid coming out of this thing. I don't know if you can see. Focus. Yep. Mind the dirty finger. But yeah, that's some pretty fresh coming out of there. I can see it coming out of the transmission. It's coming out pretty fresh. But as far as the transmission, I wanted to have Josh take a look at it, take it apart, and just go over it and maybe replace some clutches. But we're not going to be able to do that, at least this go around. That may be a mid-season thing that we'll try to accomplish. For now, this transmission's still doing fine. We should be able to continue racing with this current setup. First I googled to make sure I was getting the correct size, and then I bought one, and when I went to go fit it, it fit great. However, when I went to go turn it, it did not turn so great. So now you have to fit, oh, that one is loose, but these other ones are not, and I'm pretty sure it's all stripped out. So I'm going to have to somehow two-hand this thing with a trusty pair of yellow handles, which should be red. Turn and see if I can get this thing to unstick. I'm gonna have to, yep. A lot of pressure, turn, voila. Best tool I've ever had. Big shout out to my dad, Scary Fast Texas. If you haven't followed him on Instagram, there's his tag right there. Big shout out to my dad. These yellow pliers for Christmas, they have been the best tool that I've had to date. They almost rival my red handle favorite tool in the world. They're pretty close to being retired. So love these things. Thanks, Dad, for the yellow ones, because these are working really well. So we're gonna put these into action from now on. I'm thinking about maybe hanging these on the wall as a reminder of what used to be, of all the headaches we've gone through. But so far these are doing the job. Bingo. All right, just like that, I got all my stuff remaining off the cylinder heads. These cylinder heads are going bye-bye, but they're not going to be going very far. Okay, next on the auction block. Not really on the auction block, but I do want to go ahead and take the top off because I want to repaint it. It's seen a lot of wear. It's got some, I think that's solder on top of it. So I'm just gonna take the top off. The bottom, not sure what I'm gonna do with just yet. I'll figure that out when I get there. War. I've been running this throttle body for quite a while and hasn't let me down yet. Been a good throttle body. Alright, got a little opening happening here. A little bit more. There she is. Look how dry that is. Not bad. So yeah, cool. Now that I've got that off, I can go ahead and have the top done. Do something a little different this time and probably go with a little gloss on top. I'll probably just retouch up spray the bottom wrinkle just to get a little nicer look there. But that's the plan for that. And I think we're pretty much done for the day.